Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy F05. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose wherever you want to and click on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Go read in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. Either way, you need to wait for transfer to finish and close an ad when it's done. As you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!